Hi everyone, welcome back. Last week we discussed about the OSI model, its 7 layers, how do they work with real life examples. In this video, we are going to break down the TCP/IP model, which is the practical framework that actually powers the internet. While OSI model has 7 layers, TCP/IP model condenses them into 4. So TCP/IP model is less about the strict separation and it is more about how the data flows across the network. So let's start at the top with the application layer. So this is where your application live and breathe. For example, you're browsing the internet or sending an email, you're using the protocols like HTTP or SMTP. So these protocols operate at this layer. It is essentially equivalent to the OSI's application, presentation, and session layer. So it is all about getting your data ready for the network and presenting to the user. Next is the transport layer. It is the crucial one and it is responsible for end-to-end communication. It has two stars, TCP and UDP. We have discussed this protocols in the last video as well, but to recap, transmission control protocol, which is reliable, relatively slow, but it checks for error and it makes it perfect for web browsing or file transfer. Whereas UDP, user datagram protocol, is less reliable but faster and does not check for errors, which makes it perfect for live streaming videos, online gaming, where speed is more important than perfection. So even if one of the packet drops, you barely notice. Next is the internet layer. This is where the IP, the internet protocol, shines. The job of this layer is to figure out the best path for your data to travel from the source to the destination across the network. Roughly, this is equivalent to the network layer of the OSI model. The fourth layer, the last layer of TCP/IP model, is the network access layer. Sometimes it is called as link layer or data link layer. It handles the physical aspects of sending and receiving the data packets on your local network. It is the combination of OSI's data link and physical layer. So TCP/IP is robust, flexible, and reason the internet works as seamlessly as it does. While OSI provides us the great theoretical framework, TCP/IP shows the real-world implementation. So this was all about TCP/IP model. And so if you like this video, please hit like, share, and subscribe for more such tech breakdowns. Thank you.